Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. To all my beautiful, wealthy, healthy community, I love you very much. I hope you're all having a wonderfully blessed day today. Today, we are going to be talking about 3 100x cryptos that you wish you were in. Well, I'm in them, and I hope you are. I've got my brother in them, and a number of other people are stashed up in them. So I'm not going to go heavily into detail around them. I'm just going to explain a few things, and I'll show you their charts, all the rest, and it's up to you to do your own research. So anything that I show you here in this video today is not financial advice in any way whatsoever. I'm just sharing you what I've done for myself, and what I'm doing for my community is just to share crypto projects that I'm invested in, that I believe in, that I believe have really good fundamentals and potential gains ahead. So freezing here today in South Africa, in Johannesburg. I am pretty chilly today. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go and grab some gas for the heater shortly and put that on, because I'd like to get warm while I load up some of the other stuff. I told you guys already, I'm busy with an NFT project with an artist who has done some phenomenal work, and that artist is Shani Krebs, and he's going to be, well, he has collected a number of artists, and we're basically taking their excellent art, we're putting it up on the OpenSea platform. So I hope you guys are keeping a really good close eye out for that. I will share more of that on my Twitter page. So if you haven't followed my Twitter, you can click on the link over here on my YouTube page, and you can check my LinkedIn, you can check my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, all of it. Come out there and come check me out. But right now, right here for today, we're going to be speaking about 3 cryptos, and I want to just get straight into this because I cannot keep you waiting any longer. But right now, I just need to show you first of all where we're at in the crypto space today. The market cap is just over 2 trillion at $2,063 billion. I like the threes all in here: 63, 003, 367, 462. That's really 3s and 6s and 9s, as Nikola Tesla said, are the numbers of the universe. So focus on those numbers in trading, especially because they really do bounce out. And if you think about the Fibonacci retracements, those are part of those numbers. So anyways, we're down 2.9% since yesterday. So that's okay. We're sitting on, I'd actually like to show you. Doom. Let's put this one for, sorry, wrong remove. Wrong move. Wait. Okay, anyways. Don't worry about that. Let's get straight into the chart. For Bitcoin, I just want to show you Bitcoin. Hello. There you go. Okay, so Bitcoin. I told you about this triangle, this descending, or this triangle that we could either break up or break down. So we faked up out, and then we broke hardcore back down. Now we're way below my 44k level. I did say to you, if we broke that we would probably come back down to the 40 to 41k level and test out these bottoms here on where this major support level is here. So looks like we're heading there, because now we're underneath the 43k level, so we might bounce back up off this level and do another little bit of a move down. So if you're trading, I really hope that you have put your safety mechanisms, your stop losses in place, making sure that you're not losing any money. But I'm going to say to you that even though these are opening up, I'm still waiting patiently for some solid ground, solid support here. We've had a bit of sell and buy in terms of the volume within this area, so it is a little bit tricky, a little bit confusing for somebody who's coming in and looking at the charts today. And that's why sometimes, if you're not a trader, that really makes it very difficult. So I'm going to say to you, yesterday's bar now officially closed below the ribbon. But I want to say to you that we've had many bars close below this ribbon on the day time frame, and just because it closes below the ribbon doesn't always mean that it's going to come down. But right now, I mean, because how many times did it fake out here? So it faked out, and yeah, I mean, who knows, it could fake out here. If we don't break today's bottom, that for me is a good signal, like this over here, where we basically get a double bottom on the candles and we push back up. So if we can do that, that would be really great, and push back the volume above the blue line, above the ribbon, because that would equal then a more solid, more bullish case for Bitcoin, and therefore a lot of the other cryptos. So I'm going to say to you, on the weekly, that's not looking very healthy at all, where we've pulled down so much that the bar is officially below the ribbon, and if we look at it's looking quite similar to that. So as I said, we could test the 41k level. That's around this level here. So there is a potential for us to come back down and then find some support. So all in all, if we look at it, we've been ranging for 1 year, more than 1 year now, and that's okay. We know that the long-term case for Bitcoin is extremely bullish, and that's where we need to focus on. And when we have cool small little dips like this, buy more, because at the end of the day, you're not going to get Bitcoin at this price in the future ever again, probably. So I'm just letting you know that. But let's get on to and I want to show you why Bitcoin is falling a little bit, and that is typically because, excuse me, I've had my nice delicious tonic. Okay, that chart's not loading, but we'll come back to that. Okay, there. So the dollar index. So I spoke to you about the dollar index a little while ago on one of my previous videos. We broke out of this level, so let's put a little line here for you. Boom. Okay, so we broke out of that level. Boom. We found some support and above the ribbon, and we're pushing up. So for me, dollar's going up. Oops, I don't want that video that long. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Excuse me, guys. So dollar looks quite strong in itself, and that's we know why that's happening, inflationary environments, etc. But I did say to you, if we broke out there from the dollar, the likelihood is we want to come test the 102 level here, which would have broken out of the W pattern formation that was busy forming here, and there's larger W pattern formations and even larger W pattern formations. So there's many things that could do, but that for me doesn't mean that the Fed are going to let this dollar run up into the sky. So I said here, if we break up, we break out of here, we need to come test this line, pull back. If there's support found on this line and we ended up going further, the target for the dollar, as you can see, is all the way back up here at 115. But do you think they're all going to let the dollar get up to that point? I don't know. I don't think so. We're in heavy inflationary environments, so there's a potential for it to do that, just run up like just a bandit that just robbed a bank. Excuse the pun. Okay, but anyways, let's get out of this way and let's get straight into the 3 cryptos that are going to make you 100x gains for the rest of this time. So April, big coins coming in. First one is Landshare. You all know about Landshare. You all know that I'm invested in Landshare. We're down 7.6% today. Let's go and check what we're like on the charts here. So actually in the last 7 days, we're down 34%. In the last 30 days, we're down 20%. So essentially, guys, we really are at a very low point here for Landshare, and we've pretty much sitting on the lowest lows that we've had so far. So the low was $1.20, and that was about a month ago. So we're 20% above that at this point, and we're 88% lower than the high. Now this project is phenomenal. I've been invested in it. There's NFTs, there's land, there's staking rewards, there's rental passive income rewards. So there's many really awesome things on this project right now. According to CoinGecko, the market cap is sitting at 732,000, which is extremely low. So this has definitely way more potential than 100x gains, but I'm just going to go work on 100x gains for this video only. Circulating supply is 507,000, and the total supply is 4 million, and the maximum supply that there will ever be is 10 million. So that's looking pretty good at the end of the day. And quite a huge community, 26,500 odd people are in this community and dig this project. If you want to add it to your MetaMask, click here. If you want to go get the contract, come click here. You want to go check out their website, click here. I'm not going to go into their website today. You'll go and check that other video that I have right now in the link above. So let's go and have a look just quickly at the actual chart. So you see here on PooCoin, it says that the total supply is 3.8. So the supply is not the 4 million anymore. It's decreased. And the market cap here is 5 million. So that's why, which do we work on? Because those are already like a 6-7x difference. So even if we said it was a 5 million market cap and we went 100x, that would take it to a 500 million market cap. And that's pretty doable for land. So on the day, it looks like we're coming down more, which means that you'd be able to scoop more, stake it for, I think it's 45% passive income rewards right now, and it's pretty damn cool. I mean, I've been gaining plenty on this one so far. So I'm gaining on average, I have about 850 of land share, and this is basically rewarding me one Cryptopolis a day. On average, I'd say it's one land share a day. On average, I'd say it's about 50. A month is about $50 reward at this point. About 30 coins, 28 to 30 coins, just depending on the APY that goes up or comes down. So, I love it. Do you love it? I'm bagged in. What you want to do is up to you. I'm just here showing you information. If you want to come check their Twitter, go check their Twitter, their Telegram. I follow their channels. I follow all their stuff. They're really awesome. What a great community. Thank you, Landshare, for being just absolutely awesome. The next crypto, I believe, has beautiful legs, and I have been scammed, not on this crypto, and ironically, because it's a wonderful security exchange, it is Happy. Now, for me, Happy has been a crypto that I invested in from the start, and I've been trying to hold. It has fallen immensely since I started investing, so I'm just dollar cost averaging into the crypto. I have been scammed on my Trust wallet a number of times, which they stole those coins 3 times from me, so I've had to reaccumulate, and now I'm keeping them in a completely different place. So I'm really grateful and appreciative of having this crypto. So right now the market cap is sitting at a 10.5 million. Circulating supply is 670,000. Total supply is 691,000. Guys, something you need to know about this crypto is that they're burning their crypto also. So they're burning 1 million supply. Bitcoin is 21 million supply. The price is right now 1581. You do the math, you do your own research, you find out what you want to do. But for me, I must say, I love this project. It's really awesome for me. All-time highs of 200. And it's sitting just above its previous low, which was in March at 1446. So what a wonderful time to accumulate this crypto and get your gains in big. Just from the bottom here to the top, there's a 10x gain. I definitely believe that for a 100x gain, this would take this up to $1 billion market cap. 100 times 10 million, yeah, $1 billion market cap. And that would really give you a $1,500 coin. So quite interesting. You can stake this one, but I don't stake it. You can stake it on the Boca Chica network, but you'll come and do your own research and find out a little bit about that. Just want to show you here the chart. Is over here, it's saying the market cap is 1.5 million. So it's pretty interesting, but as well, there was some heavy buy in this region, and we've had a pullback again to the same levels. So what a good place to be buying this crypto is what I'm saying to you. Now for the third and final crypto of this video. I am so excited to be announcing this one. I've invested in this. I got my brother to invest in this as well. He's invested in Cryptopolis and Landshare. He's not invested in Happy yet, but I love to share this with the community, and you guys deserve to know these cryptos. And this one recently just did a collaboration with Meta. So who are we and what are we doing? Well, Cryptopolis, guys. Absolutely awesome. This project is up 0.2% for the day today. 15,000 people in this, 15,500 people in this community just liking this on CoinGecko. Circulating supply of 71.5 million. Total supply of 420 million. Maximum supply ever of 1.5 billion. Now, we're currently sitting at a 0.5 cents price. 5 penny price, okay? The total market cap is sitting at 3.7 million. And we just did a partnership with Meta, and Meta's going to start including the fundamentals of Cryptopolis, which is basically you can buy apartments, you can fix them up to like get palaces eventually, you can buy NFTs, you can trade NFTs, you can stake for passive income and passive rewards as well. So really fundamental and wonderful project. Put it on MetaMask. It's a Binance Smart Chain project, so really awesome. Come check out their Twitter page, and let's go and have a look here. Because here was where the news for Facebook was. Boom, right here. So as you can see, and we had a really huge jump. So from its low back down 26th of March, 14 days ago, it pumped up 147%. 147% from where it was just before Meta came in. We're down to 92% below the all-time high price of 67 cents. And I must say to you, this is cheap, guys. This is cheap. Okay, we are definitely going to be seeing this crypto boost, especially being in a relationship with Meta. So, they're a really fundamental coin, and definitely very excited. And let the market speak for itself. At this point, you're just bagging these crypto, adding more to your bags, and then really just staking them wherever you can, storing them on your cold storage wallet, and taking yourself to the next level with your future potential gains, because you're not investing today to make money right now. You're investing today to make money in the future for your best future, your best self. So give yourself some time, give yourself some patience, and that's what's going to be the big difference here, is that you have patience. But it doesn't mean you need to wait lifetimes for this crypto to make gains. You need to be taking profit at different levels, sell some of the crypto, keep some of the crypto for when it continues to go up, because it will go up. The crypto space, as I said to you guys, we're sitting at a $2 trillion market cap. We're expecting 100x just on the actual crypto space within the next decade for sure. By 2030, we're expecting this to go up to $200 trillion in market cap. Well, right now we're sitting at 2 trillion, so that's 100x gain. Yes, I know, exactly. You're looking at me probably with your jaw sitting on your table right now. Well, at the end of the day, crypto is going to be a big thing. So top 10, you can never go wrong with. You can never ever go wrong with the top 10, investing in the top 10, especially some of the top 10. What they do is they switch out. Sometimes, different cryptos will do really well. Like, I'll give you an example. Dogecoin was sitting up at the fourth or fifth coin not so long ago, but it's dropped down to the number 12th coin. So the top 10, that's where you'll make some not as likely 100x gains today, but over the future, very high possibility. If Ethereum had to do 100x from here, that would take it to a 320,000 Ethereum. But that would also take its market cap up to 1.6 trillion at that point. So now I'm going to say, its market cap up to 38 trillion. Now 38 trillion out of 200 trillion makes sense, right? The same with Bitcoin. 80 trillion out of 200 trillion makes sense. Okay, but we've got to get there. So be patient. And for you, if you're a trader and you know how to trade, go click that link right down below that I've pinned in the comment. You can get yourself a $4,100 bonus right there on Bybit right here, right now. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment for me, my community. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my community. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. And thank you. Go have a wonderful day with your families and stay blessed in abundance, you wonderful souls. Take care.